Are your pictures, documents, videos, music safe on your PC or Mac? What will happen to all of your precious pictures, baby pictures, pics of the grandkids, videos, documents, and music if your hard drive decides to crash? Have you ever accidentally deleted something from your PC or Mac? What about getting a virus or your computer just decides to die and you can't get to any of your information you need? Don't we always say to ourselves, I'm going to back up my stuff someday, but never get to it until it's too late? Every day, millions of people lose their precious data for many different reasons. The hard drive went bad, accidentally deleted files, dropped their laptop, a home disaster such as a hurricane or a massive tornado or home fire. Machine gets stolen. A storage RAID failure, for many more reasons. It happens to us every day. Look, I've been in this situation before, just like you have. I work on computers for a living, and these are the type of things that happen to me or someone I know or work for. I'm the owner, operator of a successful computer consulting business, Kaiser Computer Consulting. Here's a video of me in my office so you know that I'm the real deal. Here's the sign for my building. I'm Ben Kaiser with KiserCloud, and I was wanting to show you my office here with my business, Kaiser Computer Consulting, where I do computer consulting for a variety of different clients, home users, businesses, remote work. But I want to show you the hard drives that I've had to replace from clients' computers in the last 6 months. Here we are at the office, and here's the hard drives from the PCs in the last 6 months. There's probably more in another stack, but I just got these to show you. Here's some laptops. It's just going to show you these things go bad or get corrupt, or and the virus get on them. We can clean up the viruses and stuff, but a lot of the data I was able to restore, but some of it I couldn't, and they were without that data. So the only other way of getting it was sending it off, and some people do that, but it is very expensive. You're talking minimum $1,000. But it's precious data that's on there for everyone. I just want to give you a shot of that. Let you know that I'm the real deal. This is my office where I work. Working on computers all the time. There you have it. There's my video of me in my office. I just want to say here, I can't tell you how many times in the last 17 years I've had to say to a customer that their hard drive is dead or corrupt. Do you have a backup? Most, if not every time, no one has a backup. Not all the situations are the same. A lot of the time I can save the customer's data from their hard drive, but not always. You can always send it off to a recovery center, as I've mentioned in the video. Every time I've had to do this for a customer, the bill has always been over $1,000. Not a cheap process at all. It all depends on how much the data is worth to you. How much would you pay to get the video of your kids' first steps back? That perfect vacation picture that you took on a Caribbean island with your family. Today, we solve this problem. No more worry or saying, if only I have set up many backup solutions for people over the years, mostly all local backups because of the cost and trust factor of the cloud. Don't get me wrong, a local solution is 100 times better than no solution at all. But still, with dire consequences. If something happens to your home, you're robbed, drop your laptop, etc., what then? Nowadays, everything is going to the cloud. And as I just explained, for good reason. You never know when something is going to happen, especially these days. Hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, seems like every time you turn on the news. The first thing you are going to do if a situation arises is take care of yourself and your family. Picking up the photo album or the computer in a disaster situation is most likely not going to happen. I've been researching and testing for the best solution for my clients and myself for many months. There are many different offers out there that can be used. They all have some great features, but they also have some not so great features. Most give you a free amount to start with, and when you need more, then the price goes way up. Most don't work with both Windows and Mac. Some just do backups of one PC, but not an external hard drive or a NAS. I wanted something that did everything I needed for both my home users and my businesses. The software had to do the following. It had to be cheap and secure. It has to work with Windows and a Mac. It must be able to share files with others anywhere. Be able to access your data from anywhere at any time. Be able to back up large amounts of data without spending hundreds a month on terabytes of space. Have an option to have a map drive to store any files you need and get to them from any PC, Mac, iPhone, smartphone, tablet. Nothing I found or tested would accomplish all of my needs. Some were very close but didn't provide everything I was looking for. Huge companies like Amazon, Google, Carbonite would have everything I needed, but they all cost too much. Here's an example of Amazon's cost. Not too bad on prices until you get over 100 gigs a year. That's $50. With today's technology, it doesn't take too long to fill up with pictures alone. Not to mention backing up several PCs, Macs with videos, movies, and music. Google was even more expensive. 1 terabyte for $50 a month. Now for Carbonite. Not bad price, $59.99 a year for unlimited gigabytes, but that's only for one computer. Most people have more than one computer. And if you have a family, you have several computers. None of the options were good enough for me, much less my clients. Too expensive. I kept looking and searching. I found one that was a lot closer to something I could afford. But you have to set up an account just to find out how much it is going to cost. They do this by giving you a free account. Nothing's free. A small print at the bottom of your free account. Your free account gives you 15 megabytes of storage for 14 days. 15 megabytes of storage for 14 days. Come on, what a joke. That's like 2 pictures. So enough was enough. I went and purchased my own storage from a redundant military-grade data center with sites scattered all over the world. KiserCloud was born. Then I got the software to do what I needed. Software is set up with 256-bit military-grade encryption. All your files are now completely safe. Now you can back up multiple computers, external hard drives, and access them from anywhere on any computer, tablet, or smartphone you wish. To make this as affordable as possible, I broke it down into different options for everyone to choose from. I have a diverse group of clients that all need different things, as I'm sure your needs will be different as well. Backup and online storage options. Let me explain both options. Backup. You now have the ability to back up as many computer Macs as you want. We have 4 different options to keep the prices low. The first option, 1 to 2 computer Macs, unlimited space, access from anywhere, $5 a month. Number 2, 3 to 5 computers Macs, unlimited space, access from anywhere, $9 a month. Option 3, 6 to 10 computers Macs, unlimited space, access from anywhere, $12 a month. Number 4, 11 to 15 computers Macs, unlimited space, access from anywhere, $15 a month. Anything over 15 computers Macs, you can send me an email and we'll settle on a price. Last add-on option for backup is external hard drives, or NAS, attached storage. Not many companies out there can do this at all. The external drives, NAS, can be added on any one of the backup options. This is set to a limit of 2 terabytes per data drive, or NAS. Each external drive, USB, or NAS networked is $49.99 a year. The last option is online storage. This option gives you an extra drive letter on your computer starting out at half a terabyte of space, 512 gigabytes of space to keep all of your files in sync on all of your devices. We can always add to this space as well. This gives you the option to make or edit a file at your home PC or Mac, then access it remotely from your tablet, laptop, or smartphone. Once you have the file pulled up remotely, you also have the ability to edit, change it as well if needed. Have a file too large to email? Then share it from your own website. Share pictures, videos, movies, whatever you like. Have multiple people access files from your office or on the road. I have several clients using KiserCloud Online storage option. They use this option like using a file server, except none of the hardware and IT expense. With this option, you not only get half of a terabyte of space, but you also get the third option of the backup plans. That's right, you can back up to 10 PCs or Macs, plus have access to your shared drive on each machine and portable device for $18 a month. These prices are the best hands down. No one comes close to what I'm able to offer you. I set out to accomplish several things when I started. I think I have done this, and I hope you would agree. Look, I built my computer consulting business from the ground up. I didn't advertise. It was all done by word of mouth. This business is very successful still today. You see, I built the business on trust, and that's what I want to do with you and KiserCloud. Don't wait any longer to back up your precious data. Click below to start now.